In this video, I will show you how to quickly create a lead magnet. It's important to have followers who are interested in your brand. So it is essential to have a bona fide list of leads that are truly interested in your offer or your business for you to be able to focus on what really matters, developing your brand. The screen that you're looking at here is my favorite lead magnet tool, which is called LeadCreator. It looks pretty simple initially, but as I demonstrate, you'll see it's very intuitive and easy to use. The green button that you see in the middle of the screen, Create Lead Magnet, opens up the new window where you can enter the title of your lead magnet. Let's say we create one called How to Create a Lead Magnet of Faithful Followers. And I've created lead magnets before, but if this is the first time in this screen on the new lead magnet window, then you would have to enter a category here. But since I've already created a bunch of lead magnets before, I've already had categories and the subject matter is lead magnets. So select this guy, and then there are a bunch of templates that LeadCreator allows you to select. You can have a blank lead magnet where you just do everything from scratch, custom prompt using the built-in AI, 5-point listicle, 10-point listicle, 15-point listicle, blog post to ebook, blog post summarizer, YouTube transcript to ebook. This is really powerful. You can use a transcript from any YouTube video and the AI would convert that or interpret that transcript and create an ebook out of it, where you can go back in and edit it and make it your own. You can also summarize a YouTube video. You can create micro courses, and it gives image suggestions also. FAQ maximizer, just the plain vanilla ebook creator. For this video, I'll just show you a 5-point listicle, and then you can select the amount of words that you want in the article. The range is 450 to 1000, 1000 to 1400, 1400 to 1800, 1800 to 2500, 2500 to 3000 words. We just leave it at the default here, 1400 to 1800 words. And then the prompt. It's important to have a prompt that would give you quality input from the AI. So if your prompt is too thin, then of course the quality of the output is going to be thin. So I'm going to enter a prompt here. This is a prompt that I came up with. Give a 5 on the understanding of the power of lead magnets, stressing the importance with examples of identifying your target audience's needs to craft compelling and authentic content. Give a concise step-by-step procedure on designing an irresistible offer with examples on how to promote a lead magnet efficiently, building trust and engagement with followers. Stress the importance of nurturing relationships for long-term loyalty. So here's my prompt. The next field is the personas. You have a number of different personas here. Seth Godin, Gary V. These are answers that you can get your lead magnet persona output to have their character. Let's try Gary V. High energy, no nonsense practical advice, focus on hustle. So once you select the persona, the tone is already built into the persona, so it's grayed out. And the point of view is always to the reader, which is yours. Let's do just an introduction and a conclusion. We don't need any negative words. We're going to do 12th grade level and English. Create. Lead magnet engine goes to its resident AI and crunches the prompt that we entered earlier to come up with a kick-ass lead magnet. It doesn't take too long. I'm doing this in real time for this pulsating magnet to do its thing with the engine in the background. The estimated time is 3 minutes. I'm going to pause the video. And here we have it. Unlocking the magic, harnessing the true power of lead magnets. So here we have the introduction that we asked for. And then we have the steps that we also asked for. Designing an irresistible offer, promoting your lead magnet style. Any edits that you do in the LeadCreator editor is automatically saved. If I get out of here and go back in here, come back in, the style that I put here in the heading is still there. There are other formatting, styling that you can do in here. I like to spread out the paragraphs so it reads a little easier on the eyes. I'm going through the editing here, finishing up, spacing out the paragraphs so it's easier on the eyes. And we will have a much better layout here of your text. But of course, with every text listicle lead magnet, it would be nice to add a little bit of style to it, where you could change the color of the heading, center the heading. Looks a little better there. On the text, we can make it different color. H2 tags, typical editing features on the editor. So if I wanted to use the same color on the text before the colon, you could go back into it here and copy this code and go through the rest of your lead magnet, paste that over here, and you'd have the same formatting. It's bold. Step 2, come in here. Step 3, step 4. Okay, so I like to use an app called Napkin. At the time of the recording of this video, Napkin is still a free graphics creation tool. It's important to have the Napkin AI recognize your text. You highlight the text, click on the lightning bolt, and it will come up with, so based off of the text, it will come up with a graphic that you can use. Let's go with this guy. Copy. You can go straight into LeadCreator. Command V, Control V, or Command V. Command V on the Mac, Control V on the desktop. There you have your image. Sometimes you get a little space up here. You can just delete that space to move it up. You have a nice article, 5-point listicle, and every section you can put a graphic. This one, identifying and understanding your audience, would be identifying and understanding your audience. Highlight it, lightning bolt, come up with a graphic. Do this one. Export to the clipboard. Going to LeadCreator. Command V or Control V on my keyboard. Delete the space. If you think this is a little too big for your graphic, you can resize it to what you want. Rinse and repeat through the whole listicle. Go ahead and click on the link below to get free access to LeadCreator, where you can take it out for a spin and see how it will enhance your business.